Once I had a girlfriend that came from Cromor. She was a school teacher with a lackett galore. She was a darling like Marilyn Monroe, but she gave me the buckle to come back no more. On the first time I met her, it was on the bus, coming from Stoneway Saturday night. When I sat beside her and I gave her a light, she hooted, darling, will you please hold me tight? Murdani Mast and Chachling Gleva, waiting for Sunday to come and to pass. Gunga mille ma bicycles haddish me night. She hooted, darling, ochanak me uchay. On the night I proposed, she was all dressed in silk. The tune croch von a hectayen stick. Her lips were like roses, her eyes were so blue. Shehuti, you're charming, and I've always been true. Then I went away sailing to get her some cash, going hamaking engagement with a hicking dash. I brought her some nylons and now from Bombay. She hooted another heard me, you'll do as I say. Oh Mary, dear Mary, oh what have you done? You've gone and refused such a wonderful man. He's gone to the whalers, he'll soon be back home. Ah, what you hear, nor he'll make you a song. Now all you young sailors, will you bear this in mind, that the love of a school teacher is very hard to find. They'll tell you in phrases on the muile hook out, na hacket the horse, na halachor goviaum. Oh Mary, dear Mary, oh what have you done? You've gone and refused such a wonderful man. He's gone to the whalers, he'll soon be back home. Ah, what you hear, nor he'll make you a song.